Right now, if you want to make AI videos, you're juggling Runway for one thing, Kling for another, VO for something else, each with its own subscription, its own credits, its own limitations. Or you went the ComfyUI route and spent 3 days debugging CUDA errors before generating a single frame. What if there's a tool that puts all these models in one place and you don't need to install anything? Here's the thing about AI video in 2026. No single model wins at everything. VO handles realistic motion and audio. Kling dominates lip sync. Runway nails stylized content. Juan is the open source favorite, and every few weeks there's something new. So most creators sign up for 3, 4, 5 platforms. That's over $100 a month. And you're still switching apps, relearning interfaces, and dealing with credit systems designed to confuse you. Then there's ComfyUI. Powerful, but it needs a local GPU, manual installs, Python dependencies, and node graphs that look like spaghetti. If you've debugged a missing custom node at 2 a.m., you know. This is exactly what MindStudio's video Workbench solves. MindStudio gives you access to over 15 video models and a bunch of image models, all in your browser. VO 3.1, Sora 2 Pro, Runway Gen 4 Turbo, Kling, Seedance, Juan, LTX, Lumaray. The list keeps growing. No installs, no API keys, no model downloads. Just open it, pick a model, and generate. But it's not just a prompt box. MindStudio is a visual workflow builder. You drag and drop blocks to build entire pipelines, like Lego for AI video. A typical workflow. Set variable block defines your prompt. Generate image creates your first frame. Generate video turns it into a clip with whatever model you want. Chain clips by extracting the last frame and feeding it back in. Add subtitles. Post to TikTok. All one workflow. And if that sounds like too much, click Generate Agent at the bottom of the canvas, describe what you want in plain English, and MindStudio builds the entire workflow for you. Most platforms charge monthly subscriptions with confusing credit bundles. Runway is $12 a month for about 52 seconds of video. Kling is $10 to $92. Credits expire. MindStudio is free to start, or $20 a month for unlimited workflows. Then you pay at cost for the models you use, no markup. VO3 is about 20 cents per second. 4 images with Flux cost 7 cents. Be smart about your workflow and you'll spend less than a single Runway subscription while accessing every major model. If you want to experiment with multiple models without 5 subscriptions, this is it. If you bounced off ComfyUI, this is your second chance. If you want automation like daily video generation posted to social media, MindStudio does that headlessly. I'll be honest, it's newer, so you won't find tons of tutorials yet. And control depends on the model, not the platform. Hosted models like Google's expose fewer parameters, while open source models like SDXL give you full granular control. And for power users, MindStudio has a local model tunnel. Run checkpoints locally, even from Civitai, and pipe them through MindStudio. Use ComfyUI behind the scenes while getting MindStudio's workflow builder and hosting on top. Usability by default, full control when you need it. I shared my exact setup. Remix links in the description. Click it, get a copy of my workflow, and start generating. No setup. I've also got a coupon code. Ayrass MS, 1 free month of MindStudio. Description below. Plus, they're running a hackathon for image and video creator tools with $100 in AI credits. Links in the description. Let me know in the comments which AI video model you use most. And if you want a deeper dive into building workflows, drop that below too. I'll see you in the next one.